This is what you can get for $1.3 million. Hello, it's Steve Carter, your Las Vegas realtor, and today we are outside an amazing $1.3 million home in Las Vegas, so let's check it out. Wow, this door is huge. That's like a 5-foot door. That's gotta be so expensive. This entryway looks phenomenal. Now, I really love how they opened up this space. I think originally that would have been more divided, but right now you have a massive great room, and they put in that really cool 8-foot, that's 8 feet of fireplace. In Las Vegas, not really needed, but for a room of this size, definitely needed to keep it all on scale. And I really like this wood paneling they did here as well. This kitchen's huge, absolutely massive. They have the double island, which would be fantastic for all your entertaining purposes, and they have some really good choices for appliances. You gotta check out this hidden butler's pantry. Come on. All right, let's check out the primary bedroom. It's massive. This is bigger than the family room in my first house. It's just absolutely huge. You have 2 different closets. One of them even has an island. You got the bathroom right here. So this home was built in 1990, but you would never guess it with how they renovated everything. Now, let me show you, they actually have a really cool feature here in the master bedroom. If you didn't already notice it, they've got a hidden door. After you. This hidden door leads you to this cool little room behind the primary bedroom. I think they were using it originally as an office because it does have some outlets in the floor. You can put like an executive style desk, and you still have a really good view of the pool. All right, now check out this office. They have tons of light coming in here, and they didn't block any of it because of these glass doors. Now, one of the things I would expect to see in a $1.3 million home would definitely be some luxury items like this has right here. You got a really cool sauna indoors. I guess it's not cool, it's like hot. So this backyard's awesome. The home does sit on a ½ acre, so you have plenty of space. And what's really cool about a home in Ten Oaks, which is where this community is at, is that there's mature landscaping. This was built in 1990. Massive trees, really green grass, and a lot to look at. Now, this home has a pool, and the majority of the homes in this community are gonna have a pool. And you know why I can tell you, besides looking at the MLS, is because I've pool hopped almost all of them when I was in high school. So don't tell anybody. All right, now we already mentioned that this was built in 1990, but it's on a ½ acre, and I think for $1.3 million, it's absolutely fantastic. It is almost 4,300 square feet, and it is 4 bedrooms, 4 massive bedrooms. There's a lot of really cool features, a lot of new tech, a lot of new style, and I think it's a great value add, especially for a home in Las Vegas. So if you have any questions about buying or selling in Las Vegas, hit me up. I'm always happy to help, and follow me to see my next video.